Motivational quotes to inspire you. The desire to win and the desire to succeed, when combined, open the door to personal excellence. Confucius. Don't give up on anything, because only losers give up. Abraham Lincoln. The elevator to success is broken. Don't waste time waiting, start climbing the stairs step by step. Girard. Opportunities don't just appear out of nowhere, you create them. Chris Grosser. I am a great believer in luck, and the harder I have worked, the more I have had it. Thomas Jefferson. The only thing worse than starting something and failing is not starting anything. Seth Godin. Only those who risk going beyond their limits will see how far they can go. T.S. Elliot. No matter how difficult life may seem, there is always something we can do and achieve. Stephen Hawking. The harder it is to achieve something, the sweeter the taste of victory. Pele. The only thing worse than starting something and failing is not starting anything. Seth Godin. No one has ever climbed the ladder of success with his hands in his pockets. J. Keth Moorhead. Whenever you see a successful business, someone has made a courageous decision. Peter Ducker. Translated with dpel.com, free version. Work hard in silence, let success be your voice. Frank Ocean. If everything seems to be under control, you're not going fast enough. Mario Andretti. Unsuccessful people make decisions based on the situation they are in. Successful people make decisions based on where they want to be. Benjamin Hardy. Try to be a valuable human being, not just a successful one. Albert Einstein. Success is not the end, failure is not fatal, the important thing is to dare to go forward. Winston S. Churchill. Only I can change my life. Nobody else will do it for me. Carol Burnett. No one can go back and make a new beginning, but today he can make a new ending and begin again. Frank M. Robinson. We don't have to be smarter than others. We have to be more disciplined than others. Warren Buffett. When you wake up, remember what a privilege it is to live, to enjoy, to think and to love. Marcus Aurelius. Believe in yourself and others will believe in you. Goethe. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life begins when adults fear the light. Plato. The only people who can change the world are those who are crazy enough to believe it. Steve Jobs. Only those who see the unseen can achieve the impossible. Frank L. Gaines. You renew yourself every day. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you don't, but it's the average that counts. Satya Nadella. In the short term, be brutally honest, in the long term, be optimistic and confident. Reed Hastings. When someone tells you they can't do something, maybe they're just telling you what they can't do. Sheldon Cahoon. Do not limit yourself. Most people limit themselves in what they think they can do. You can only go as far as your mind can go. Whatever you believe in, you can do. Mary Kay Ash. Smart people learn from everyone and everything. Average people learn from experience. Stupid people already have all the answers. Socrates. People who argue about whether the glass is half full or half empty are missing the point. The glass can be filled. Anonymous. Turn your face to the sun, and the shadows will always be behind you. Walt Whitman. Yesterday I was wise, so I wanted to change the world. Now I am wise, so I change myself. Rumi. If you cannot change something, let it go. Don't be a prisoner of what you cannot change. Sang Lindsay. You can't always control what happens outside. But you can control what happens inside. Wayne Dyer. Make sure your worst enemy doesn't live between your ears. Laird Hamilton. Learn from yesterday, live for today, be hopeful for tomorrow. Albert Einstein.